Join me as I take on the challenge of embracing neurodiversity and unlocking the secrets to success. Let's see what we can discover together. Embracing neurodiversity is a concept that's gaining momentum, and for good reason. It's about recognizing that everyone's brain is wired differently, and that these differences can lead to incredible strengths and advantages. When we harness these unique perspectives and abilities, we can unlock a world of creativity, innovation, and success, not just for individuals, but for organizations and communities as a whole. Unfortunately, neurodiverse individuals still face significant challenges and misconceptions. Many people view neurodiversity as a limitation or a disorder rather than a source of strength. This stigma can lead to feelings of shame, inadequacy, and low self-esteem. In addition, neurodiverse individuals often face difficulties in education, employment, and social environments where they may be forced to conform to neurotypical norms. One of the biggest misconceptions about neurodiversity is that it's something that needs to be cured or fixed. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Neurodiversity is not a defect, it's a natural part of human diversity. And by embracing and accepting it, we can tap into the incredible talents and abilities of neurodiverse individuals. For example, many autistic individuals have exceptional attention to detail, problem-solving skills, and creativity. In reality, neurodiverse individuals have always been part of our society, making significant contributions to science, art, and innovation. Think of iconic figures like Albert Einstein, Steve Jobs, or Temple Grandin. All neurodiverse individuals who changed the world with their unique perspectives and talents. Neurodiverse individuals bring a wealth of strength and abilities to the table. They think outside the box, challenge assumptions, and come up with innovative solutions. For instance, companies like Microsoft, SAP, and IBM have launched autism hiring initiatives, recognizing the value that neurodiverse individuals can bring to their organizations. Did you know that nearly 70% of autistic individuals have special talents compared to just 30% of non-autistic individuals? This is not a coincidence. It's because neurodiverse individuals have a unique way of thinking and problem solving. And when we provide them with the right support and accommodations, they can thrive and succeed in ways that others may not. According to a recent study, companies that embrace neurodiversity are 28% more likely to experience innovation and 30% more likely to see increases in revenue. This is because neurodiverse individuals bring fresh perspectives, new ideas, and creative solutions to the table. By embracing neurodiversity, we can unlock a whole new level of innovation and success. In conclusion, embracing neurodiversity is not only the right thing to do, it's also a smart business strategy. By recognizing and supporting neurodiverse individuals, we can tap into their incredible strengths and abilities and create a more inclusive, innovative, and successful society. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery, and I invite you to share your own experiences with neurodiversity in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next video.